are at the Grand Bazaar on the Upper West Side. So basically it's a flea market, so down in the back there are lots of homemade crafts and fabrics and clothing and other stuff, but out here in front we are the food vendors. So here in the first stall you'll see Ale's Pasta Kitchen. We have homemade pasta, 3 different types, a cream sauce, a pesto, and a tomato sauce. So the pasta is homemade. We source it from an Italian vendor in Brooklyn, and we just have to call them a few days in advance. They make all the pasta for us. We go there, pick it up, and then we parboil it, finish it off here in the sauce, and all the sauces are homemade. Well, I work at a hospital, but we're making it work. We love to do this. We love cooking together, so Claudio and I really just wanted to like merge a shared passion and start a business out of it. So far people have been really liking it, but you'll have to ask them, so stay tuned to hear interviews from our clients.
Hey, so proud of you.
Thank you. I love it. It's saucy. What I like about it is a lot of tomatoes. Perfectly al dente. You need a lot of napkins. They didn't go cheap on the sauce. It's good.
I like the sauce, and the noodles are kind of different, so that's nice.
I had the homemade pasta with pesto genovese, and I really enjoyed it. It was reasonably priced and super good. It's quick to eat. It was awesome.
I got the pomodoro pasta. It was fantastic. I mean, I can't wait to dive right back in. I saw fresh pasta, and I haven't had fresh pasta in a minute, so besides the stuff I make at home, so I wanted to try it.
So you'll be back.
Yes, definitely.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.